To create your cover, you go to your storyboard and click on front cover. And here's your front and here's your back. So to do this, you'll click on the square in the layouts panel. And if you want this text, you can leave that, but I'm not going to use it. So I'm just going to delete it by clicking on it and hitting the delete key. Then I'm going to add pictures. And I have uploaded my cover. Then I'm going to just drop that there. And next I'll click on back cover. And again, I'll click on the large square. And I'll add pictures. And that completes my cover.